Nick joining us now, another warm November night.
Warm, humid as well. Tomorrow's almost going to be a repeat of today. So really it's Wednesdays when storms begin, but they're just going to take a while to get here. And I know we'll get emails by midday Thursday wondering where the rain is, but trust me, it'll take its time, but should cover most of the area with some beneficial wet weather here by the end of the night, Thursday night. Where is our storm coming from? Well, you can see that swirling motion there near the San Francisco Bay Area, producing valley rain and also some significant Sierra snow. That area of low pressure is going to be tracking east-southeast and helping to bring us some beneficial rain. In the near term, though, we've got plenty of humid air resulting in a lot of clouds that will continue to thicken up through the night and give us a widespread cloudy morning tomorrow morning with even some pockets of sprinkles, a little drizzle in areas too. That's why we've got a low 10% rain chance, just so you're not surprised by any little bit of liquid that comes out of the clouds. Still, by midday, clouds holding tough, although starting to break up, and then gradually we'll transition to a partly cloudy, if not mostly sunny sky by the end of the afternoon. Then the clouds come back, and on Wednesday, a higher chance for a few morning showers, even a low chance for a thunderstorm. You can see those showers still possible at midday, although I do expect that the afternoon will have slightly lower rain chances than the morning. They won't be non-existent. Still a few showers around Wednesday afternoon too. The higher rain chances actually come late Wednesday night if you're in the hill country, as a cluster of storms already moving in there, but avoiding the metro and our eastern counties for the most part. So Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, pretty stormy for some of you in the hill country, yet the metro missing out. But as we head through the day on Thursday, those storms in the hill country finally start working their way east, getting to I-35 as the sun is setting Thursday. You see what I mean about having to wait for them to get here? But eventually they do. This computer model does not go beyond 6 p.m., but those storms should gradually work into our eastern counties into Thursday evening and night. So just a 10% rain chance or sprinkle chance tomorrow morning. Clouds to afternoon sun and a high of 85, another breezy day. We'll do 84 on Wednesday, 30% rain chance, mostly of the shower variety in the morning. And then higher 80% rain coverage Thursday. That does not mean it rains all day. It just means that 80% of the area sees rain by the end of the day. And then just a few lingering showers into Friday morning. 20% of us still seeing some showers for the first half of Friday. Wednesday night, though, there is that severe weather risk, a low one for the hill country storms, a 1 out of 5 threat for large hail and damaging wind. Our primary concern, though, is going to come on Thursday as those storms start to slowly work their way east. They'll produce a heavy rain risk and a 2 out of 4 flooding threat in effect here for Thursday. And this is how much rain we're expecting by the time you wake up Friday morning. You should have picked up 1 to 2 inches of rain, but there will likely be some isolated amounts up to 3, possibly even 4. If I'm going to guess or bet with scientific backing where the highest rainfall totals will be, I'm thinking right here. I think that's where we could see some 3-inch amounts. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. We do get a cold front with this storm. That front comes in Thursday evening, and that should keep us in the 70s more consistently Friday into the weekend. You can see those low 70s Saturday and Sunday. And look at that, our next storm Sunday into Monday of next week with rain chances on the rise there.